Magandang araw at magandang buhay sa inyo guys dyan. This video for today. Ayan guys, ayan po. Tatlo na naman siyang puzzle na iba naman tong puzzle na to. Puro views, mga bundok, mga tanawin guys. Ayan po. Ayan po yung kanina ngayon. Ganyan na po yung puzzle. This video for today. Ayan po, tatlong puzzle po yan guys. Shout out po sa inyo at maraming pong salamat po sa panonood sa aking munting video. Shout out po sa lahat. Thank you. Ayan, nag-start na akong magkat ng mating at may sukat na yan guys. At shout out po ulit at Team Georgina, Miguel, shout out po sa admin po Bossing Georgina Lumakang, ang aming founder, ang aming secretary si Ma'am Andrea, and Nanay Mel, ang aming advisor. Siyempre ang aming mabait na sponsor, Ma'am Iris Franco, brother and sister ng Team Georgina. Shout out sa inyo, Kuya Loro Trinidad and Lodi Bosnoy and Madam Lisa. Thank you so much guys, and God bless you all. At abang-abang na lang po hanggang magtapos sa aking munting video. At shout out ulit sa lahat. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Alright, let's go.
I thought I had it figured out, believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were. living in a fantasy. When I kiss her, I don't know where we're going. I don't know at all. I don't know how we're going. I'll be moving on. I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go. Living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can on my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby. I don't do it all alone. So sorry for the heartache of saying goodbye, for wasting your time, for wasting your time. I don't know how we're going. I'll be moving on. I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go. Living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can on my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby. I don't do it all alone.
And guys, shoutout po ulit sa inyo. At tapos na po yan guys. Ayan po yung mga building na tanawin. At saka po yan, black ulit ang frame nya. Paggawa ka isang araw, black din ang frame. Iisa din. Ayan guys, yung isa, ayan na po yung shoutout po ulit sa lahat. Maraming po salamat sa panonood na aking munting premiere. Hanggang dito na lang po ang aking video. Salamat po ng marami. Shoutout po sa lahat. See you next vlog po, and maraming po salamat. God bless you all. Alright, Team Georgina, shoutout po sa lahat. Admin, salamat po. Bossing Georgina Makang, ang aming founder. Nanay Mel, Ma'am Andrea, Ma'am Iris, salamat po sa inyo. Brother and sister Team Georgina, shoutout. Well, Trinidad, and Lodi Bosnoy, and Madam Lisa. Thank you po. Alright.